Hello and thanks for joining me for our February Bayside commercial market update. The Reserve Bank have not surprised anybody this month by announcing a 25 basis point increase to the official interest rate. With CPI in Brisbane running at over 5% and a national average of 3.7, most pundits expect this rise to be the first of at least 3 similar moves this year. Southeast Queensland in particular is likely to remain an inflation outlier regardless of the interest rate increases. The supply pressure on the housing market remains a huge issue, with predictions of an 11% increase in house values through 2026. Common sense says that supply issues will continue in the medium term, particularly as the construction industry shifts its focus to the delivery of Olympic infrastructure ahead of the 2032 Games. From a commercial market point of view, we expect to see some rental vacancy this year, particularly in areas reliant on discretionary spending. But there is no indication of any slowing from investors or owner-occupiers. The response to recently listed stock has been extraordinary. Many investors are seeking the safe haven of bricks and mortar security, noting that construction costs will continue to escalate, making existing built form look like great value, particularly in established corridors with limited to no future supply. Owner-occupiers continue to be aggressive and in many cases are pushing pricing boundaries beyond where investors see value. Again, the ability to permanently limit occupancy costs and provide long-term security for business growth are key drivers in this space. It's really becoming a case of today's top price is tomorrow's bargain. Our newsletter highlights some great stock recently listed for sale and lease. There's also a bit of off-market movement at the moment, with some recent transactions highlighting the need to discuss any future requirements with our team to ensure we can provide as much assistance as possible. Our property management team remains busy finalising many of the insurance repairs currently underway across the Bayside following the hail event in November. With many buildings looking at complete roof replacement, these repairs will continue well into the middle of the year. New statutory valuations are also on their way. These are used to set rates and land tax assessments, and from what we hear, there are some pretty large increases for this region. It's prudent to review these in some detail and in a timely manner, as there are options to dispute the values applied, provided the appeal is lodged within the allowable timeframe. As always, if you've any queries or require assistance with your commercial property, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team for assistance. That's it from me. Take care and I'll see you next month. Cheers.